Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine at home. So, here I have come with your chapter number 2 of class 9. Chapter name is Input and Output Devices. You must be aware about all the input and output devices, but in this chapter we are going to discuss in detail what are the types of input devices, what are the types of output devices, all the devices that we are going to discuss in detail in this chapter. Hello everyone. Let's start with chapter number 2 of class 9. Chapter name is Input and Output Devices. So before going further, I want to tell you the recap of previous video. That means what we have covered in the previous video. In previous chapter, we have discussed how a computer works in 3 stages: input, process and output. In this, it accepts input, process the data according to set of instruction, then store it and give a meaningful output. Thus, a computer system has 4 main components: input, CPU, output unit and secondary storage unit. But in this chapter, we are going to provide a functional overview of input, output and storage unit of a computer system. So let's start with that. Before so let's start with learning outcome of the chapter. As first one is identify the various types of input and output devices. Second one, explain the purpose of special keys and list the most frequently used pointing devices. Third, list the type of monitors and the characteristics that determines the monitor's quality. Fourth one, we have identify the various type of printers. And last, identify the devices that are used to get sound, video and images into your computer. Now let's start with input. As you can see, input is any data or instruction that is entered into your computer's memory. Means हम कंप्यूटर मेमोरी के अंदर कुछ भी डेटा या इंस्ट्रक्शन एंटर करते हैं उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? इनपुट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इनपुट डिवाइसेस. As you can see, input devices are used to giving commands to the computer. जब हमें कंप्यूटर को कोई भी कमांड देनी होती है तो हम किसकी हेल्प से देते हैं? इनपुट डिवाइसेस की. तो यू कैन सी 2 pictures are here. We have keyboard and mouse that are used to give command to the computers. Input devices are the type of hardware that enable you to get programs, data, commands and response into your computer's memory. Means इनपुट डिवाइसेस क्या होती हैं? जो हार्डवेयर होते हैं, क्या हेल्प करते हैं आपकी किसी प्रोग्राम को, डेटा को, कमांड्स को या रिस्पॉन्स को आपकी कंप्यूटर मेमोरी में इनपुट कराने के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं. आई थिंक फ्रॉम जूनियर क्लासेस ओनली यू आर स्टडिंग द कंसेप्ट ऑफ इनपुट डिवाइसेस. Keyboard, mouse, we have scanner, we have joystick that are used to give input to the computers, that we are going to discuss in detail here. As you can see, keyboard and mouse, and third one we have stylus that is also used to give input to the computer. Next we have a picture of keyboard. As you can see, keyboard having many keys, like we have quadri keypad, function key, numlock key, status indicator. That means if your numlock key is on, it will show it on. It means this light will be highlighted, as you can see in the. Next we'll discuss types of keyboard. First one we have extended keyboard. Second one we have codeless keyboard. Third one we have ergonomic keyboard. As you can see, first one, that is extended keyboard, that include 101 keys and that is based on quadri fashion. Second one we have codeless, that uses infrared or radio wave signals. Third one we have ergonomic keyboard, that is designed to prevent cumulative trauma disorder or damage to nerve tissue in the wrist and hand due to repeated motion. Now the question comes, why we need ergonomic keyboard? As these keyboard are designed to keep hands and wrist in natural position, so that when you are typing, the hands are directed apart from another with the resting position for the wrist. So in this way, it is going to reduce the stress on the wrist, forearms, elbow, shoulder and neck. Next we have image processing system. In this we will take example of a scanner. As you know, scanner is a input device and it scan text, images and object optically, and the scan data is then converted into digital image and then displayed on the computer screen. And we have three types of scanner here. First one drum scanner, second one flatbed scanner, and third one we have handheld scanner. So in drum scanner it is most efficient and expensive scanner. In this we are using rotating glass drum to scan the data. And second one we have flatbed scanner. It is also popular desktop scanner and it look like a miniature printer with a flip up cover protecting the glass window. And third one we have handheld scanner. It is also a small manual device which is dragged over the surface of the image to be scanned, and you will see the example of these scanner in your book that is given on the page number 37. And next we have MICR, that is magnetic ink character recognition. It is used by banking industry to facilitate the processing of checks. जहाँ पे हमें चेक की प्रोसेसिंग करनी होती है वहाँ पे हम MICR यूज़ करते हैं. दिस टेक्नोलॉजी अलाउ कंप्यूटर टू रीड इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द प्रिंटिंग डॉक्यूमेंट्स. लाइक आपको अकाउंट नंबर रीड करना होता है प्रिंटिंग डॉक्यूमेंट से, वहाँ पे ये टेक्नोलॉजी आपकी हेल्प करती है. नेक्स्ट विल टॉक अबाउट OMR. What is OMR? It is optical mark reader. It is a device that is used for capturing data formed by dark and light marks on specific position of the paper. Whenever we want to calculate the marks or the scores, we just enter answer sheets into OMR. मीन्स जब भी हमें कोई मार्क्स कैलकुलेट करने होते हैं तो व्हाट वी डू, हम OMR डिवाइस के अंदर हमारी आंसर शीट डाल देते हैं और इट विल कैलकुलेट द स्कोर्स. इसकी स्पीड भी ज़्यादा होती है और जो मार्किंग होती है वो एरर फ्री होती है. Next we have alternative input devices, like we have flatbed scanner, we have barcode reader, we have microphone that is for speech recognition. Next we have digital camera, digital video, video conferencing, webcam, etc. हम बात करेंगे स्पीच रिकॉग्निशन क्या होता है. स्पीच रिकॉग्नाइज करना मीन्स इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ इनपुट जो हम कंप्यूटर में एंटर करते हैं. जो माइक्रोफोन होता है वो इसको आपके जो आप बोलोगे माइक्रोफोन के अंदर वो उसको रिकॉग्नाइज करेगा और आपके कंप्यूटर में फीड करेगा. नेक्स्ट है माइक्रोफोन. माइक्रोफोन एक इनपुट डिवाइस होती है जो कन्वर्ट करती है साउंड को इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल्स. As you can see, latest technology uses continuous speech recognition where the user does not have to pause between the words. Next, we'll talk about digital camera. What is digital camera? As you know, digital camera is similar to traditional camera. What is the method? In this, the image light fall on a CCD, that is charge coupled device, which transform the light pattern into pixels. Fine. Now images are stored in the camera using the flash memory, or in this most popular types are compact flash and the smart media. Now you can say in this photo editing programs enable the user to edit the images. Now I want to tell you one thing. In case of traditional cameras we have to use a film roll. Means in that case we have to insert a roll to click the photographs, but in this case we don't need any kind of roll to click the photographs. And second thing, we are able to edit the photograph once we have clicked in the digital camera, and in this good pictures can be taken using point and shoot cameras. In this single lens reflexive digital cameras expensive and are used by professional photographers. Now if I say today's टाइम व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग, हमारे फ़ोन्स के अंदर डिजिटल कैमरा होता है ऑलरेडी. अगर हम वेब कैम की बात करें वो भी एक डिजिटल कैमरा है. तो इसकी हेल्प से हम ऑनलाइन चैटिंग, वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग कर सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ डिजिटल कैमरा. नेक्स्ट वी टॉक अबाउट डिजिटल वीडियो. डिजिटल वीडियो क्या होती है? अ वीडियो कैप्चर बोथ ट्रांसफॉर्म एनालॉग वीडियो इनटू डिजिटल वीडियो. इसमें क्या यूज़ होता है? कंप्रेशन एंड डीकम्प्रेशन स्टैंडर्ड यूज़ होता है टू कंप्रेस द डिजिटल वीडियो फाइल्स. अ फ्रेम रेट ऑफ 24 फ्रेम पर सेकेंड FPS is frame per second is needed to produce a continuous smooth action. Next we have video conferencing. एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू कि हमारे जो फ़ोन्स हैं और जो वेब कैम है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो टाइप ऑफ डिजिटल कैमरा, तो वो हम किसके लिए यूज़ कर रहे हैं? फॉर ऑनलाइन चैटिंग एंड वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग. तो हेयर वी विल टॉक अबाउट वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग. Video conferencing uses digital video technology to simulate face-to-face meetings that we are doing, that you know in daily routine we are doing it. Then we have whiteboard, which are a part of the screen, can be used to write or draw. Next we have webcam. As you know, webcam provide low resolution video conferencing for internet users, or the images are small and jerky in this case if we are using webcam. Next we have output devices. As we have discussed input devices, from where we are giving input to the computer. Now we'll talk about output devices. As you know, output devices are the peripheral devices that enable users to view or hear the computer process data. Like I will give, you can see visual output means text, graphics and video. Audio output means sound, music and synthesized speech. Next we have visual display system. What is it? It is a system that is composed of two parts. First one video adapter and second one monitor. First one is video adapter. It is responsible for video quality, and second one we have monitor that display videos adapters quality. Next, now we'll talk about video adapter. As you can say, video adapter is also called display adapter भी बोलते हैं इसको, video card और graphic cards. Now it plugs into expansion slot on the motherboard. As you know, it contains memory called video RAM memory. It is designed to work with digital और analog monitors के लिए डिज़ाइन किया जाता है ये. Next we have, it converts digital signal into analog signals. As you know, it determines monitor maximum resolution. नेक्स्ट इट डिटरमाइन मॉनिटर्स रिफ्रेश रेट. तो वीडियो अडेप्टर क्या क्या काम करता है दैट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड. नाउ विल टॉक अबाउट 3D ग्राफिक्स अडेप्टर दैट इनेबल 3-dimensional images. Next we have multi display video adapter that permit a connection of monitors, two monitors at a time, that is known as multi display video adapter. Next we will talk about monitor. What is a monitor? As you know, monitor is output device. Yes, it is also called VDU. What is VDU? That is visual display unit. It is, you can say, like television monitor that also display output on the screen. The picture on a monitor is made up of thousands of small colored dots called pixels. एंड मॉनिटर जो रेजोल्यूशन हम मेज़र करते हैं पिक्सल्स में, और विड्थ किससे करते हैं? बाय हाइट. यू कैन सी स्क्रीन आउटपुट इज रेफर टू एज सॉफ्ट कॉपी. हेयर वी हैव टू टाइप्स ऑफ मॉनिटर. फर्स्ट वन इज CRT एंड सेकेंड वन वी हैव LCD. CRT इज कैथोड रे ट्यूब एंड LCD मीन्स लिक्विड क्रिस्टल डिस्प्ले, और इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? थिन फिल्म ट्रांजिस्टर्स. Next we have CRT monitor. As you can see from the picture, it is like a television and it is based on picture tube technology, as it is less expensive than a LCD monitor. So this takes more desk space and use more energy than LCD monitor. As you can see from the picture only कि इसको ज़्यादा space चाहिए, and it uses more energy, means ज़्यादा पावर की ज़रूरत पड़ती है as comparison to LCD monitors. Next we will talk about LCD, that is liquid crystal display monitors. In this cell sandwich between two transparent layer from images, and it is used for notebook computer के लिए यूज़ होता है, cellular phones के लिए, personal computers के लिए and PDAs के लिए यूज़ होता है. एंड ये एक्सपेंसिव होता है दैन CRT monitors, और इसमें लेस स्पेस, लाइक you can see from the picture, it will take less space on the desk and it uses less energy than the CRT monitors. CRT monitors से कम स्पेस लेते हैं एंड एनर्जी भी लेस कंज्यूम करते हैं एज कंपेरिजन टू CRT monitor. दिस थिंग यू ऑलरेडी नो कि ये बहुत सारे साइजेस में आते हैं जो आपके LCDs होते हैं, दैट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 17 inches to 60 inches. Here we have types of LCD monitor. First one passive matrix, second active matrix, third gas plasma, fourth one field emission display. These are the types of LCD monitors. Next we'll talk about monitor specification. As you can see we have different specification. First one is screen size. जो आपके monitor की screen होती है that can be measured diagonally. The diagonal measurement on the screen surface is in inches, that is 15, 17, 19, 21. And second one we have resolution. Resolution means the sharpness of the image determined by the number of horizontal and vertical dots. उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, pixels that the screen can display, that is like 800 into 600, 1024 into 768, 1600 into 1200. That means horizontal and vertical dots, and that define the pixels of the screen, and that is known as resolution. And last one we have refresh rate, that is the speed at which the screen is redrawn, and it is measured in hertz, that is 60 hertz and 75 hertz. So this is all about today's lesson. Now I want to summarize what we have covered today. Like we have covered different type of input devices, like we have mouse, we have keyboard, we have different pointing devices, we have types of keyboard, we have types of mouse, then we have different input devices like scanner, MICR, OMR, barcode reader, microphone, डिजिटल कैमरा, डिजिटल वीडियो, वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग, वेब कैम, इन सब के बारे में हमने डिस्कस किया आज. एंड वी हैव डिस्कस डिफरेंट आउटपुट डिवाइसेस लाइक वी हैव मॉनिटर्स, we have different type of monitors, CRT, LCD, that we have discussed in detail. This is all about today's lesson. Remaining part of the chapter we'll cover in the next video. Like we are left with type of printers and we are left with types of storage devices, that will cover in the next video. And if you are facing any kind of difficulty, just go through the PPT, then you will read the chapter through your book. And if you are facing any kind of issue, you can contact to me. Thank you for watching this.